In this model, we'll discover how security groups work. This will be a general overview to get the basics down. Security groups are essential to protect the network on AWS. In a general way, security groups allow to manage the incoming and the outgoing traffic to our AWS resources. To put it more simply, we have different elements. Our EC2 Linux machine, the outside world represented by the web, and in between we have our security group, which allow us to manage incoming and outgoing traffic. Having knowledge regarding the security groups is essential in order to be able to diagnose and solve network problems on AWS. In this model, we'll learn how to open and close ports. Although it may seem that network problems are necessarily related to security groups, we'll see that sometimes they might not. So now let's go to the console. Here on the information of our Linux machine, we have our security group. We'll display the incoming rules. We have the port 22 open. Let's first check that we can connect by using this port. To do so, we'll go back to the terminal we used before and connect. As you see, it works correctly. So this means that we can now modify the security group. We display the security group, a description appears, including the name and the ID. We have the incoming traffic, authorized when using SSH on the port 22 in IPv4 and IPv6. And regarding the outgoing traffic, our machine can communicate with the world freely. Let's say we delete these rules. To do so, we click on Modify, we delete the SSH rules and save the changes. I then return to the terminal and try to connect again. You can notice a very long wait time. After a given period, a timeout message appears. This means that the SSH protocols has set a time limit beyond which an error message is displayed. I abort the command since it won't work. This is due to the lack of rules when it comes to the outgoing traffic that tries to connect to our EC2 machine. So we'll create a rule. Here we have a drop-down menu that allows us to choose several models. In our case, we are interested in doing SSH in TCP on port 22. Now regarding the choice of the addresses which can contact us, if I choose the option My Personal IP, it will only be possible to connect when using my own home IP address. On the other hand, if I choose the option From Anywhere, I will be able to connect from anywhere in the world. So we'll choose the option From Anywhere just to make things easier. In the description, you can type in SSH to my EC2. We can now save the changes, and we do have our rule in IPv4 and IPv6. We return to our terminal, we restart the command, and it actually works. So that's it for the basics of security group.